Hey everybody, we left Clearwater Beach this morning and Trina's going to tell you what we're doing next.
Yeah, we're on our way right now to Sanibel Island, which is like 2.5 hours from Clearwater, so not too bad. We'll be staying in a place on the canal there, so we're really excited. We are driving along the edge of Tropical Storm Fred. So far, well, it made a shift to the west. So it was supposed to come directly through where we are right now, and we were supposed to have really high winds. So we're thankful that we aren't in the brunt of that, but right now we're just experiencing some rain, so we're thankful for that.
Light right now too.
Yeah, some light rain right now, so not too bad. Anyway, simple drive. Just thought we'd say.
Just light enough to make my wife, she hates it when I don't use my wipers.
Yes, and he's not using them. He never does unless it's really pouring, and I'm like, please turn on your wipers. So anyway, it's a good day today, and we're excited to be going to Sanibel.
Sanibel Island, here we come.
Here we come. We just put our boat in on Pine Island, which is in St. James City in Florida, and it's really beautiful here. It's all canals, and so they're kind of like streets, but we'll show you around quick here and just give you a glimpse of what this looks like. It's really cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really cool. Like she said, they're like little streets. Everybody has a boat here on this island. I mean, everybody. If they don't, then I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, and all the little subdivisions it's like a street, houses, water, street, houses, water. So everybody's on the water. That might make more sense when we turn this around. On the left, you have houses, water, houses, and then on the other side of that would be a street and houses and water. So it just, if you look this up on maps, you would see all these little canals and streets, and anyway, very interesting. We're heading out with the boat. We're gonna go into, it's called something Sound, and I forget the name of it. I'll try to remember, but
pig.
Oh, there's a pig on the dock. Whoa.
And he's taking a whiz.
Oh, he's taking. Here's a pig for you. Never thought you'd see pigs on the island, huh? I mean, we would expect dolphins or manatees or something, but not pigs. Anyway, that was pretty cool. We have dolphins around us in Pine Island here. Of course, they were just coming up. Let's see. Oh, it's right there. Right there. Got dolphins again that we can never find. Oh, there he is. Let's see here. Can we get him? Oh, there's two. See them? There they are. Great. There they are. Keep going. Woo. Keep going. Try to follow them. Probably won't come by. Oh, there they are. They are literally right here. So there's these birds out here on the water, and they're really smart. And oh, he just got a fish. Shoot, I missed him getting the fish. But what they do is they fly in front of our boat, and then because they know that the fish are gonna go shooting off as we pass, So anyway, it's pretty cool that they do this. And so we're going to show you that a little bit. So here he is behind us, this bird. Oh, but then they'll come up. There they are. And now they'll fly to the front, waiting for, and then they'll dive. Yeah. Waiting for fish. Let's see if we can see him catch a really good fish. Oh, he has one. There it is underwater. It's hard to see. Here he is. There's one with fish. Oh, they both have fish. Smart, huh?
We're on Sanibel Island. Just beached here and done a little swimming. That's why the hair is wild, maybe. Probably really ain't all that different than normal. There is the wife and I's pontoon boat. We love it. We have been boaters, really avid boaters, since 2007 when we lost our 15-year-old son. And it was therapy for my wife and the depression. That's the name Water Therapy. That is our boat. It's our third one. We had a Four Winds and then a coal boat. And then we went to the pontoon here last year, 2 years ago. I don't know. You'd have to ask the boss. But she wanted a beach day. So here we are on the beach. There she is. Woo-hoo. There's the causeway going across. But just awesome beach day. It's a Wednesday. We have to fly back tomorrow. My 103-year-old grandfather had passed away, obviously of old age, after defeating COVID, after defeating double pneumonia after COVID. And I guess he just was tired and ready to go. So we'll be doing that this Friday, celebrating his life and his reunion with his lovely bride, Ellen, who passed away, I think 2008. So he's been kicking around for quite a while since she's passed, but I'm sure they had a joyous reunion. And like I say, I'm not celebrating a funeral. I'm celebrating a life lived. 103 years old. 94th Armored Division under Patton. Was with Patton most of all of his campaign. He shared a little bit of what he had seen during World War II, but not a lot. I have a book that was written about his very unit that, you know, if anyone has any interest, I could post some more about that. But anyway, just a quick little video of us here out on Sanibel Island. It's also a wildlife refuge behind there. And there again, we're just native here. The native women are beautiful. What are you doing today, Trina?
Collecting shells.
She is shelling.
On the beach in Sanibel Island.
And I'm going to show you some of what she's collected. I mean, there's just a billion shells on the beach. You could pick them all up. They're all kind of pretty, but she's picking out some pretty unique ones. So let me show you some. Teeny little flat shell. This is what Tina's been collecting over here. Just unique ones. Like, I really like this one. It's got all these tiny little holes in it. You can tell that baby's been here a while.